Hi, my name is Jonas and today I show you the inner bags for Monsoon Evo 2. The Monsoon Evo 2 inner bags are designed to make packing and unpacking your panniers faster and more convenient when traveling by motorcycle. They allow you to organize your gear inside the panniers and remove everything in one go when you reach your destination, without taking the bags off the motorbike. Especially on longer trips, the outer panniers can get very dirty from the rain, dust or mud. The inner bags solve this problem by keeping your gear separate from the outside luggage, so you don't have to bring dirty panniers into your hotel or your tent. Simply pull out the inner bags and leave the panniers on the bike. The inner bags are made from a PVC-free water-repellent material. This means no problem to take them out in the rain or place them on wet grass. Your gear stays protected all the time. A carrying handle makes transport easier, and the light shoulder strap can optionally be attached. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, reach out to your local Enduristan dealer or contact us directly. Have fun outdoors!